To make frozen drinks at a pop-up drink stand, you need a slushy or frozen beverage machine, pre-made mix or fresh puree, ice, and a steady power source. Then you blend and freeze the mixture until it reaches a thick, horrible slush consistency before serving it in a cup. The secret that most beginners never learn is that frozen drink machines work by constantly scraping ice crystals off the freezing walls of the barrel while slowly mixing the liquid. And if you add too much sugar or alcohol, the mixture will not freeze properly because both of those ingredients lower the freezing point of the liquid. A good rule of thumb is to keep your sugar content around 15 to 20% and your alcohol content, if you are using any, under 12%. Otherwise, you will end up with a slushie that stays liquid no matter how long you run the machine. Another trick almost nobody talks about is pre-chilling your mix in a refrigerator overnight before pouring it into the machine, because this cuts your freezing time nearly in half and puts less stress on the motor. You also want to make sure your machine barrel is completely clean and dry before adding a new batch, since leftover residue can throw off the texture and cause ice to clump instead of forming a smooth slush. Running your machine at a slight tilt, if the manufacturer allows it, can also help gravity assist the mixing blade so you get a more even freeze from top to bottom. One common mistake is overfilling the machine barrel, which prevents proper mixing and leads to uneven freezing, so always fill it only to the line marked by the manufacturer. Another mistake is ignoring ambient temperature, since a pop-up stand sitting in direct sunlight or extreme heat will force your machine to work overtime and can shorten its lifespan, so try to set up under shade or a canopy whenever possible. A lot of new vendors also forget to test their mix ratio before opening for the day, so always run a small test batch first thing in the morning to confirm the consistency before your first customer walks up. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.